Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's time for Number Corner. All right, get up on your feet so we can sing our month of the year. Get ready. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Cha-cha-cha. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. My turn first. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. Your turn. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. Whoa. And here we are again, Hipsters, with another day that we are growing our brains at home. So, Hipsters, we need to add one more day to growing our brains at home. Now, let's count. How many days total have we been learning at home? We're going to count our tens and then our ones. Get ready. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Who knows? What two numbers make 23? If you said a 2 and a 3, you are correct. Say 23. Whoa, all right. Now, Hipsters, are you ready to count? Say, uh-huh. Oh, yeah. I can count. By fives to 100. If you are ready to count by fives to 100, say, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. All right, get ready. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Ooh, I love the number 100. All right, are you ready to count by tens? Get ready. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Whoa, Hipsters, you guys are so good at counting. All right, if you are ready to count by tens and then switch count by ones, say, uh-huh, uh-huh. All right, Hipsters, get ready. 10, 20, switch, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Whoa, Hipsters, that was a lot of counting. Say, whew, whew. All right, Hipsters, are you ready to find out what we are going to learn today in Number Corner? You are? Okay, so Hipsters, who remembers? There is 3 circles and 2 arms. What are those called? Let me hear you shout it out. Number bonds. You guys remember last week when we were doing number bonds? Okay, so today, Hipsters, we are going to do number bonds again. If you are ready to go grow your brain, I want you, when I say go, to go get a piece of paper and something to write with. You have 10 seconds. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And so, Hipsters, You are going to see my paper, but you might not see my face, but you will hear my voice. All right. So Hipsters, today at Number Corner, we're going to learn about number bonds. And we need to not only fill in our number bonds, but we also need to write our number sentences. All right. So Hipsters, I have 7 cubes. How many cubes? 7 cubes. And 7, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is my whole. So I'm going to write W for whole. If you want, you can draw your number bonds. You can try to draw Miss Bloom's cubes. And then you can show your teachers you working with me in Number Corner today. So Hipsters, now I need to know my 2 parts. So I'm going to write part. Who can tell me what's one of my parts? Think in your brain. What's one of my parts? Okay, I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3. I know that 3 is one of my parts because there is only 3 pink cubes. Now I need to figure out, and let me label my work. 1, or I'm going to write it out here. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to draw a line to show that. Now I need to know how many black cubes do I have. So let's count, Hipsters. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many black cubes are there? 4. Great job. So if you have not already filled in your number bonds with Miss Bloom, you can do that. I'll give you a few seconds to do that. And then we're going to write our number sentences. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. All right, so Hipsters, how we write our number sentences is we say our parts plus part equals the whole. So I know that one of my parts is 3, and then my other part is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then my whole is 7. Whoa. That was a lot of work. All right, are you ready to do the next problem? All right, Hipsters, let's get ready. I want to make sure you guys can see it. Okay, here we go. I need to know what are my 2 parts? I know my whole is 7. They told us that already. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know that I have 7 blocks. How many blocks? 7 blocks. Now I need to know what are my 2 parts. So I'm going to draw a line between the red and the orange, and I'm going to count how many, and here's my parts, how many red blocks there are and how many orange blocks there are. Get ready, let's count. 1, 2. That is a part. And then, what's my other part? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my other part. So I know my part, and my whole. Now, I need to write my number sentence. Remember, Hipsters, our number sentence will be our 2 parts equals our whole. So our 2 parts are 2 and 5. 1, 2, plus 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. You say it. 2 plus 5 is 7. Great job. All right. So now, Hipsters, for this part, we have to fill in all the numbers and color our blocks. So I know that I have some cubes here. And so the first thing I want you guys to do is count how many cubes I have here. Okay, are you counting? All right, count with me. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many cubes? 5. And 5 is my whole, correct. So I'm going to write my 5 here because 5 is my whole. Now I need to color in some blocks, and then I'm going to leave some blocks not colored. So I'm going to color. How many blocks should I color in? Should I color in 5? Okay, I'm going to color in 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what's my part? How many are purple? 5. And how many are not purple? Do we have any more? So 5 plus, there are no more, plus 0 is 5. Whoa, Hipsters. Did you know that 5 plus 0 was 5? Wait, but Hipsters, did you also know that any number plus 0 is that number? Oh, okay. So now let's take a close look at this number sentence here. It says equals plus. Remember, we always have to fill in our parts. So our parts are 5 and 0. And our whole is 5. So Hipsters, my turn first, then your turn. 5 is the same as 5 plus 0. You say it. 5 is the same as 5 plus 0. Whoa. You guys are getting so good at these number bonds. Make sure you are following along with Miss Bloom so that you can send a picture to your teachers. All right. Here's our last one, Hipsters. Let's count. What is our whole? We need to figure out what our whole is. Let's count how many blocks we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our whole is 5. Now, I need to color in some blocks. And this time, let me think, how many blocks should I color in? I'm going to color in 1 block. How many blocks? 1 block. So I know already that 1 is one of my parts. 1 is one of the. Now I need to know how many blocks are not colored. How many blocks are not colored, Hipsters? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know 1 plus 4 equals 5. All right, now let's fill in our number sentences. I know that is the same as and Okay, I'm going to fill in my partners first. 1 plus 4 equals 5. So 5 is the same as 1 plus 4. You say it. 5 is the same as 1 plus 4. Whoa, Hipsters. That was a lot of work in Number Corner today. I cannot wait to see all your hard work. Make sure you send a picture to your teachers. Have a good day.